This is section 2.4. We're going to be solving equations containing integers. We have already done some solving equations, but this time we're containing integers. Remember, an integer can be a negative number, so now we have to decide if we're actually adding or subtracting when we have integers. All right, so this is very similar to a problem we've already worked before. We have y plus 8 equals 6. So in order to solve this, we've got to get our y by itself. So to do this, we need to move our 8 over by doing an inverse operation. So we have a positive 8. We're going to have to subtract 8 to get our y by itself. And here, this is where we see the lesson from 2 days ago. So y is going to equal, we have a positive 6 and a negative 8. So we're going to subtract those, which is going to give us a 2. Keeping the sign of the larger number, y will equal negative 2. Let's try this one. We have negative 5 plus t equals negative 25. So in order to get our t isolated, we're going to need to add 5 to both sides. That's going to give us t equals, we have a negative 25 and a positive 5, so we're going to need to subtract. 25 minus 5 would be 20. Keep the sign of the larger, which is a negative. So t equals negative 20. So we're going to multiply and divide to solve equations. This is containing integers, so we're going to have some negative numbers here, but it's going to follow the same rules as the last time we did it. If we have k divided by negative 7 equals negative 1, to get our k all alone, it is being divided, so we're going to need to multiply to undo our division. So we're going to multiply by negative 7, multiply by negative 7. That's going to give us k equals negative 1 times negative 7. We have a negative times a negative, which is going to be a positive. 1 times 7 is 7. Let's try one more. This time our b is over here on the right side of the equation. So we're going to need to move that 17 over, so we're going to divide by 17. Negative 51 divided by 17, we have a negative divided by a positive, which is going to give us a negative. 51 divided by 17 is going to be 3.